Welcome back, Recruit. It's time to quickly cover another fundamental data structure, the set. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. We can construct them by using the set function. Let's explore some examples in a Jupyter Notebook. Let's begin by constructing a set. We'll do that using this built-in set function. Notice how there's syntax highlighting there, letting you know that the set, S-E-T, is a built-in function, so you don't want to accidentally overwrite that. So we've constructed a set and assigned it to the variable x. If we want to add items to the set, we can say add 1, and then if I take a look at what my set looks like, notice it uses the same curly braces as a dictionary, but it doesn't have colons there, so it doesn't really have key value pairs. It's just an unordered collection of unique elements, and that's basically the key word, unique elements, meaning every element there has to be unique. So if I try to add in another element, such as 2, no problem, I see 1 and 2. However, let's say I try to add 1 again, and take a look at x, it still only has a singular 1 there. And that's because we only accept unique elements inside of a set. So it doesn't matter how many times I try to add in a 1, if it's already in there, we only have unique elements, meaning we just have 1, 1, or 1, 2. This is useful sometimes in case you have a list, so we'll say my list, with many repeated elements. So we'll have 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. And imagine that we only wanted to grab the unique elements out of this list. I could transform it to a set, again using that set function. I would pass in my list here, and I would get back the set of the unique elements, in this case 1, 2, and 3. And then as a last final note for sets, I know we showed you how you can quickly create one using this set function with just an empty thing and then keep adding onto it. The other thing you can do is just use the actual curly braces themselves. So we can say my set is equal to curly braces and then 1, 2, 3. If we check the type of my set, it's just a set. Again, the keywords to remember is that it's an unordered collection, so it's unordered. That means you can't index things off of a set, and it's also only containing unique elements. That's the basics of sets. We'll see you at the next lesson.